Hi guys, welcome to CodeIgniter, and in this video I'm going to display you how the CRUD operation works in CodeIgniter. So CRUD operation is also called insert, update and delete. So CRUD is acronym of create, read, update and delete. So about this tutorial, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how a simple insert, update and delete operation can be performed using CodeIgniter. This step-by-step tutorial will help you to understand the basic of how the MVC of this framework works. The first one is the prerequisite. You must have knowledge of basic HTML and CSS. You must have knowledge of PHP and MySQL. You must have knowledge of object-oriented PHP. Since this is based on MVC, and most of the MVC frameworks are based on object-oriented, that is why you must have knowledge of object-oriented PHP. The next one is project setup. So first, go to https://CodeIgniter.com and then download the CodeIgniter 3.0. Unzip and paste into your htdocs folder of XAMPP folder. Open into browser http localhost and CRUD. So let's do this practically. First, let's open Sublime Text. You can use any editor you like. So now let's go to, before that, let's go to here CodeIgniter download. So now click here, and then there are two versions you can see here, CodeIgniter 4 as well as CodeIgniter 3. So CodeIgniter 4 is still in beta version and it is not so stable, but CodeIgniter 3 and CodeIgniter 2 are a stable version. But at this time, so I'm going to show you with CodeIgniter version 3. Now click on download, and then as mentioned before, it's very lightweight, so it takes no time to download it. So now just double click on this and press Ctrl C or just copy it, and then let's go to here. XAMPP 2 is my XAMPP folder, so I'm going to paste here inside htdocs folder. So now it is pasted, so I'm going to name it CRUD CRUD. Okay, alright, so these are the files which are inside this folder. Now right here, localhost and then CRUD. Okay, so needs to start the XAMPP before using this. So let's go to here XAMPP folder and then double click on this. And then XAMPP should start. So now XAMPP started here. Apache is still starting, so it shows in yellow. MySQL is already running. So if you press here, then now it should work. Let's refresh it. Okay, so this now CodeIgniter is running. As you can see, running CodeIgniter is very easy. It doesn't have to, you don't have to follow long steps to install it. Okay, later you can connect with database and all those things, but for the timing, that's it.